Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Pad 3D, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into a recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power button and select power off. Once the device turns off, you can then hold the power button and volume up at the same time, so both of these buttons. When you see the Nubia logo, you can let go of the power button, keep holding volume up, and after a moment you should see the recovery mode. And here we have several options. We have a reboot system, which takes us back to Android, wipe data, which only consists of factory reset, power off, which obviously turns off the device, and the last option, which you can navigate through these options using your volume buttons, as you can see. So the last option, once it's selected, you can press power button to confirm it. So in here we have update from SD card or from ADB, mount system, view logs, or go back to the previous page. So I'm gonna select that, and I'm gonna confirm reboot system, which, like I mentioned before, will take me back to Android. And here we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.